Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like A series, F series, M series, J series, any series of Samsung Android smartphone if you're using, and if your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you don't want to visit service center to unlock your smartphone, so you can visit to this video and unlock your smartphone without visiting any service center. Okay, so first of all, whenever your phone is locked, firstly you will have to hard reset of your Samsung Android smartphone. Then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display like welcome messages and language option, start and emergency call option. Okay, so after that, one more thing I would like to tell you, your phone should be charged at least to 30%. Otherwise in this process, your phone may be switched off and you will stuck in the middle of this process. Okay, so kindly charge your phone before starting this method, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, so let's start this method. When you will hard reset of your smartphone, then after even when you will start this, so simply you will have to click on this start option and you will have to click to agree to all here. Okay, then after you will have to go to the next. Now you will have to select the more and agree here. Okay, then after one more thing like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network, because it's very mandatory to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network in this method. Okay, so this is especially for FRP bypass. I will show you what is FRP bypass and what is FRP lock. Okay, so here when you will go with this, these all the processes, and when you will go with this, here it will ask you again your pin pattern and password lock. After hard reset, again it will ask you here. Okay, so don't worry at all, you can see here the another option is showing here, use my Google account instead. Simply you will have to click on this one, and when you will click on this, you use my Google account, here you will get a display of Google verification verifying your account. Okay, so here it will ask you to verify your Gmail ID, and this lock is known as FRP lock. Okay, and this lock is generated by the Google to secure your phone from stolen. And okay, so here if you have your Gmail ID and password with you, then you can easily bypass this page. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and phone number, so you can't bypass this page. So if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, then I will tell you how you can get a skip option on this page. By the help of some tips and tricks, you can also get a skip option on this page, because without a skip this page you can't access your smartphone and you can't unlock your smartphone. And this method is known as FRP bypass unlocking method. Okay, so first of all you will have to go to the starting page. Now here you will have to do some changes. Firstly you will have to change the language from English India to English US, because the Samsung generally is a US smartphone. Okay, then after you will have to select this option, emergency call option. Okay, and when you will click on this emergency call option, your phone's dialing pad will be open on your phone display, you can see here. Then after you will have to click on this star hash 0 star hash. This is a USSD code, star hash 0 star hash. When you will feed this code, you will get a such type of display, you can see here. Here you will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to choose only two options. The first option is showing your sensor and the second option is showing your version. Okay, firstly you will have to choose this sensor option and you will have to tap on this sensor option. When you will tap on this sensor option, you will get some synchronizing pop-up on your phone display. You don't have to do anything changes on this display, simply you will have to wait for only 5 seconds minimum to do this. Okay, maximum there is no limit, but minimum you will have to stay on this for 5 seconds. Then after you will have to go to the back option and you will have to select the another option that will show here version. Simply you will have to do the same. Here you will have to wait for only 5 seconds minimum. Then after simply you will have to go to the back option. Okay, now after that simply you will have to go to the back option here and go to the start page. Now after that you will have to click on this start option. Then after you will have to check out this agree to all option and go to the agree here, agree. Now here you will have to activate your phone's talkback option. Okay, so simply you will have to if your phone is not working talkback option, then I will tell you some different method to use your phones. Okay, so right now I will show you without talkback option how you can bypass your FRP lock. Okay, because I have created a lots of video on FRP bypass with the help of talkback option, but there are lots of viewers who is commented that we are not getting a talkback option in my Samsung Android smartphone. For those customers, I'm going to shoot this video and going to tell you how you can get this FRP unlock, okay, without a talkback option. Okay, so for this, simply you will have to click on this add network option. You can see here is a single add network option is showing here. Simply you will have to click on this add network option. Okay, now after that you will have to make some changes here. Simply you will have to type here in capital, okay, Samsung FRP unlock. Okay, then after you will have to enter here Gmail bypass. You will have to type here Gmail bypass. Okay, then after you will have to click on this view more option. After that you will have to make some more changes here. Firstly you will have to go to the option that will show here IP settings. Simply you will have to tap on this and you will have to go to the static option. Okay, then after you will get the first option will show here IP address. Simply you will have to click on this IP address option and here you will have to type here 888.999.10.102 and here you will have to type the same 888.999.10.10 and 2. Then here you will have to type the same, that is 24. Here you will have to type the same, that is 8.8.8.8. then after here you will have to type here same 8.8.4.4. Okay, then here all the setups has been done. Then after you will have to simply you will have to go here with the back option. Now after that again you will have to tap here in the add network option. Then after you will get a setting option on this keyboard. Simply you will have to tap on this setting option. Now here you will have to make sure what I'm going to give you in this video, you will have to follow all the steps here. Firstly you will have to scroll down this page and you will have to go to the reset to default settings. Simply you will have to click on this and you will have to click here reset keyboard setting and reset here. Then after you will have to go to the second option that is showing here erase personalized prediction. Simply you will have to click on this and erase this settings. Okay, now after you will have to go to the back option on this page and you will have to reach to the option that will show here language and types. Simply you will have to tap here. Then after you will have to select this manage input language option. Okay, then after here in this page you will have to select all the English whatever will show on this page. So you can see here the first one is showing here English India. Then after you will have to select this English UK, English US. Okay, then after again another English is showing here, you will have to select this one and you will have to go to the back option. Okay, now then after you will have to again you will have to go to the back option here. Now after that you will get an option that will show here text shortcut. Simply you will have to tap on this one and you will have to click on this add option. Now after that you will have to type here some things, that is and here you will have to type here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times 0. Then after go to the OK, go to the back option. Now all the things has been done. Simply you will have to go to the back option here. Again you will have to go to the back and you will have to reach to the starting page. Okay, now after you will have to start the option here, select agree to all, go to the agree option. Here you will have to uncheck these two options that showing here nearby devices, and the another is one is also showing here nearby devices. Simply you will have to uncheck these two options. Then after you will have to go to the next. Okay, then after you will have to click on this next option. Okay, then after it will ask you to choose one option. The first one is don't copy and the second one is showing here next. So simply you will have to select this don't copy option. So you can see here the escape option is showing in this page where the Gmail ID and the password was asking on this page. The escape option is showing. So you can see here with the help of some tips and tricks, you can easily also get a escape option on this FRP log page. Then after, it's very simple to now go through your phone. Simply you will have to click on this escape option, escape here, go to the accept. If you want to use new pin pattern and password, so you can use from this, but right now I will skip this page here, skip anyway, go to the agree. Select next, skip this page, finish, agree, select a language, go to the next, go to the continue, select your gender, select your age criteria, go to the next, install, finish, and finish. So you can see here the Samsung Android smartphone of any series can unlock with the help of this method. You can see here the smartphone is completely unlocked. Okay, so if you also want to use this method to your Samsung Android smartphone to bypass your FRP lock of your Android smartphone, so you can also use this method. And if your Samsung Android smartphone is also unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if you have stuck in anywhere in this method, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing in this method. Our team will definitely quick response on your comments. Thank you so much.